What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be putting a HardTuned Kanji Vinyl Sticker on my 22 Plus WRX. This is the one I got from the HardTuned store. I got the 13-inch one, so let's get into it, right?
Hey guys, so just for vision purposes, this is what it is, alright? HardTuned Kanji Vinyl Sticker. Alright, 13-inch, good to go. Alright guys, let's open it up. Pretty cool actually. Alright, so the first sticker, HardTuned, pretty nice. And the main one, this is a Kanji 13-inch sticker. Just for reference, this is my hood scoop. This is how big it is, alright? So this, I plan on actually putting it in the front of my windshield, right there in the bottom. This might not be perfect guys though, but this is gonna be the trick that I'm gonna be doing, okay? Alright guys, so that should be approximately in the middle. It may not be perfect. It may not be pitch perfect though, but this is the approximation right here in the center of the windshield. So I'm gonna give just a couple minutes, then I'll start peeling it here and there, okay? I already waited quite a bit and everything. Sun's going down though, but it's fine, should be fine right here. So I'm gonna start doing this, peeling this out. I'm gonna pull it out little by little, okay? Because last thing I want is for all this stuff to start coming out and then it's all messed. And that's what it looks like. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Appreciate it. Till the next time, please like, comment, subscribe. I'm gonna try to do a little more and everything with my car as time goes on. Alright, so I appreciate your time. Thank you.